Hey everyone, in today's tutorial, I'll show you how to clear your cache and cookies in Google Chrome. This works on desktop, iPhone, and Android, and it only takes a few seconds. It can help protect your privacy and fix many common browsing issues. Let's start with Chrome on desktop. Open Chrome, click the three vertical dots in the upper right corner, and select Settings. Scroll down to Privacy and Security, then click Delete Browsing Data. Choose your time range and check the boxes for cached images and files, and if you'd like, cookies and other site data. When you're ready, click Delete Data and Chrome will clear everything. On iPhone, open the Chrome app and tap the three dots at the bottom of the screen. Go to Settings, scroll down to Privacy and Security, and tap Delete Browsing Data. Select the types of data you want to remove, then tap Delete Data to finish. On Android, the steps are very similar. Open Chrome, tap the three dots. Choose Settings, scroll to Privacy and Security, and tap Delete Browsing Data. Select cached files, cookies, or any other data you want to clear, then tap Delete Data. And that's all there is to it. No matter which device you're using, clearing your cache and cookies helps Chrome run smoothly and keeps your browsing more private.